Bringing you today in history and some global observances live on Ghana Talks Radio. 1846, the U.S. Congress formally declared war on Mexico, initiating the Mexican-American War following disputes over the Texas boundary and President Polk's claim of Mexican aggression. This action led to a two-year conflict ending in 1848 with massive U.S. territorial gains. To some few global observances, Cough Drop Day, to recognize the history and soothing benefits of throat lozenges, which have been used to relieve coughs and sore throat for thousands of years. It serves as a reminder to soothe throat irritation, though experts advise limiting intake to 6 to 10 drops per day. Donate a day's wages to charity, encouraging people to donate 1 day's salary to fight poverty and support global causes. It is a movement focusing on equal generosity, where individuals calculate their daily income and give it to trusted charities. National Receptionist Day, to recognize the essential contributions of receptionists in ensuring smooth office operations, providing excellent customer service, and setting a positive, welcoming tone for organizations. It is a time to thank these professionals for their role as the face of the office. Lastly, National Root Canal Appreciation Day, to highlight the benefits of root canal therapy and celebrate the dental professionals who perform them. The day aims to dispel myth that root canals are painful, framing them instead as essential tooth-saving and pain-relieving procedures. And that's all for today on Today in History and some global observances live on Ghana Talks Breakfast Show.